Today I'm going to make a quick video of how to install a new replacement rear view mirror on this 2016 Nissan Sentra. I guess it could be done on any vehicle, but this is a 2016 Nissan Sentra. Alright, so I just picked up this kit from AutoZone. Here it is. Here's the mirror, and here's the clip, and here's the silicone glue that comes with it. The way we're going to do this is we're just going to insert this. There it goes, just how it goes. We're going to kind of align it where it needs to go. And hello, you can see me there. And we're just going to grab this and just kind of mimic it where it's at right there. Perfect. That way we kind of have a view of where it needs to go. Now it looks like they broke this one last time. So I'm not too sure if it's going to work, but we're going to try. We're going to try to throw as much glue in here as possible. That way it holds on to everything. Alright, right now it is 51 degrees outside. What I'm doing is I have the front heat for the windshield. I don't know what you call that. Defroster. I have the defroster on. That way it can heat up the mirror or the window. And now we're gonna glue it. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna go ahead and open up this glue and go ahead and apply it on this here, and then we're gonna insert it up there. Alright, I went ahead and punctured the glue open. Now I'm just gonna put it all in here. Nice thick layers. And we'll put it all over. We have a lot of glue, so don't be shy with it, especially because we gotta fill up that gap. Alright, should be enough. Go ahead and cap this. Alright, you just want to remember how it's gonna go. This is gonna go just like so. This is the downward side, so it's gonna go just like that. This mount sits on it just like so, slips right in like that. So we're gonna go ahead and press this up and hold it for about 30 seconds. Probably gonna hold it for like 60 seconds just to make sure it holds on right. And actually, this glue is actually pretty good. I'm getting it all over the place. Wipe it off my phone. It's actually holding it already. So we're just gonna adjust it where we want. And that's good. I think that's pretty good. So now we're gonna let it sit. Let's see for how long. It doesn't say, but we're gonna just let it dry. I seen a video and it said 30 minutes, and the dude waited an hour. You know what? I want to make sure that holds on right. I'm gonna wait 24 hours. So that's pretty much it. After you have that glue done and nice and dry, you just insert this down in there, holds it into place. You just secure it with this Phillips screws, and you're done. That's pretty much it. So once that's dry, you just slide that in there and you're set. Sweet. I'm not gonna mess with it. I'm gonna let that dry. I'm gonna let that cure. And that's it. Yeah, sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.